Hi, my name is Michelle Bradford. I'm an editor with Woodworking Network, and I'm in Italy this week with the Cefla Technology Tour. Our first stop today is the Cefla Live event. Today we'll take a look at some of their latest finishing technologies and take a look inside.
Some of the new innovations in digital printing is the introduction of digital in-register embossing. Historically, when applying a texture to a printed image, it was a very generic tactile feel with no correlation between the feel and the image that was printed. With the digital in-register system, we're able to put the definition where the definition belongs. We're able to simulate a real wood grain feel as well as the look. Digital printing is gaining popularity in the industry because it allows our manufacturers to deliver what the customer wants when they want it. Beside me, I've got three completely different images, but all are printed on the same substrate, and all three can be printed one right after another with no changeovers. Traditional manufacturing demands that suppliers have a multitude of substrates and have large changeovers when changing from one setup to another.
Cefla has developed within our solutions that we named Ubiquo several service packs that can customize the needs of the customer. So first of all, we are starting with an important aspect of the sensoring of the machines in order to collect the data that we can read from a control tower, which is wherever we have got our subsidiaries, so that we can control the line performances, efficiency, and so forth. This is to be able to not only be reactive, but we want to be absolutely not even predictive. We want to go to the predictive maintenance approach compared to a reactive approach. So that's why we have worked on these technologies to be able to have the customers always connected with our expertise so that the lines could be working at full efficiency. Yes, we are completing our software packs with new apps that can help customers communicate in a quicker and more friendly way with our technicians. Today, platforms like WhatsApp are highly utilized, so we have decided to go in a direction of providing ourselves within the service packs with apps on which the customers can directly communicate with our service department and all the actors that are involved with finding a solution for the customer. The example that we have over here is a device which is connected through our Seamaster to the machines that we have exhibited here, and we are monitoring the activities that are happening inside of the oven. So we are seeing if the oven is performing and is working well, and what is happening in my production line. So even by remote, I am able to monitor the performances of the line and the efficiency of the line by remote.
Good morning. I start just to introduce you about the technology hybrid. Why we developing this new technology hybrid? There are one reason that there was a request of the market in order to improve the quality and the characteristics, the mechanical characteristic of chipboard and MDF or some other material. Now, in partnership with the Durante V1, Cefla, with the Cefla Deutschland, we improve and we install a new line, we invent a new technology. The name is hybrid. Why hybrid? Because it's a dual cure system. There are two systems. It's not only one. There are UV and polyurethane reactive glue. Means that we apply with our system on the edge of different boards, chipboard or MDF, this special glue, UV and polyurethane. With the UV oven we can dry immediately the material, means that with the external surface we are dry, we can touch it, there are no problems, but during the time we can also dry what is inside in the panel, in the chipboard. What we can also not dry because it's protected for the different chips inside.